In front of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down, choose Biometrics and Password, click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Over here you can switch on or off Raise to Wake feature by clicking over here. And when you're ready, choose Get Started. Remember to follow all of those instructions and keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those features however you wish to by tapping on the switcher next to them or clicking on them and picking one of those options. You can also set up an alternative look by clicking over here and adding another face data. When you're ready, choose Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!